Hey, how are you doing? How to make 5-minute salad? So basically, we cut the bananas, kiwi, apple, blueberries, and the grape, and everything in equal proportion. So basically, with all of the preparation, with cleaning, chopping, mixing, it takes less than 5 minutes. Basically, it depends what you have. Any fruits or berries you have, you can mix it up, and then this super cool salad. And if you want to make it more sweet, you can add some honey, or you can dress it with anything else you want. I'll make it super quick. Yeah, we can put some whipped cream. And you can add some seeds, nuts, whatever you want. That's it. And it's super delicious. Ooh, something like that. I think we can add more yogurt. Then mix it in, and it's ready. It looks really